Just say in a world.
In a world where DGCubes has the world record average of 6.1.
Wait. Talk about 2x2 scrambles, because guess what? That's not cool. That is a public service announcement. What is your opinion on the matter?
Я много больше. Hi.
Derpy.
Yeah.
You speak Chinese? Oh, it didn't start. It didn't start. What the heck? Oh, dang. Timer didn't start again. DNF average. Hey, DNF average.
David. When I guess the 12.
Hey, David, aka David Cuber on the Speed Solving Forum. What are you eating?
Gum.
Is it tasty?
No.
Then why are you eating it?
I don't know.
Name?
Christopher.
What?
Christopher,
aka Christopher on the Speed Solving Forums.
Yeah.
What are you holding?
A GoPro. I think.
That's cool. Avocado, aka I can recognize people by their chin on Speed Solving Forums. Why aren't you competing in 4x4 right now?
Hayden.
Okay. Hey, this is Hayden, aka the guy wearing a hat on the Speed Solving Forums.
Yes.
What cube is that?
Alon V2.
And why aren't you making eye contact with the camera? That's rude.
Because I'm trying to solve.
Okay, well...
I'm not a nub like you.
Okay. Oh! Yes. Nice. What? If you made PP in like 8 seconds. PB average.
Oh, hi. Hello. No. I'm scared. No. Hi, me.
No, don't hurt him. He's only a little child. He's only a little scrub child. Don't hurt the scrub children. No, he found a weak spot. Okay. Sorry.
Still got you in frame.
Okay. Go.
I'm a runner.
Awesome.
My mile time sucks.
10.
10 what?
10.823. No way.
Wow.
That's crazy. Hello? What is your name?
Jason,
Jason. What is your opinion on cubing?
it's fun.
What do you average on 7x7?
Few minutes.
Now the real question is, what do you average on 7x7x2?
I haven't tried that.
Well, I guess you'll have to, and then I'll come back to you, okay?